Every day, families begin a difficult journey, a fight against childhood cancer. For many, this battle isn't just about hospital visits. It's about finding a safe place to stay, a way to reach the hospital, and holding on to hope in the midst of uncertainty. This is where Little Ark Foundation becomes a beacon of light. In partnership with the National Children's Hospital, we provide free housing and transportation for children battling cancer. A temporary home where families can rest, recover, and regain strength.
The mission of the hospital is to deliver compassionate care to pediatric patients. And the Little Ark Foundation has contributed a lot, have complemented patient care among our cancer and blood cancer patients. It is by providing the much needed halfway house, more importantly, providing compassionate care to our patients.
Here at the Blood and Cancer Care Center, we cater to hematologic and solid tumor patients, especially those with leukemia and other types of cancer. So in the morning, we start to see our OPD and ward patients. We conduct procedures such as ambulatory blood transfusion, bone marrow aspiration, and systemic chemotherapy.
All our patients from OPD and inpatients are coming in this office every day. They are handling all their problems in terms of medical, psychosocial, and not only the patients, our concerns, but also the family.
The Little Ark Foundation has helped our patients in treatment compliance because our patients from far-flung places have a place to stay near the hospital. Yung mga galing sa malalayong lugar, they don't have to wake up at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning just to travel to their provinces, to NCH.
45% of our patients coming from outside Metro Manila. Most of them are financially incapacitated and incapable. Little Ark Foundation has a big impact on our patients' access to hospital services, especially those who are financially challenged families.
So before the housing facility, our patients really have interrupted treatment. So yung ibang patients, makakabalik sila on day 1, but on the succeeding days of treatment, hindi na sila makakabalik kasi wala na silang pamasahe.
If ever na wala kaming matutuluyan na kailangan naming every other day ng chemotherapy, pwede kami magstay sa Little Ark Foundation.
Ang tinutuluyan po namin ay sa bahay po ng uncle namin sa Taguig pa. At gumagastos po kami ng pamasahe sa taxi ng nasa 1-2 po ang balikan namin.
Pag nandyan po kami ng Monday, para hindi po kami masyadong makonsumo po sa pamasahe. Diyan po kami sa labas ng National Children, tumutulog ng isang gabi po.
Most of our patients, paminsan sa baba sila ng hospital nagsistay. So doon lang sila sa mga benches doon. It's really very uncomfortable for the patient na may sakit and undergoing treatment, tapos sa chair lang sila matutulog overnight, then they have to wake up again. Pipila ulit sila for the treatment.
This is very beneficial to the patients because they can rest, they are not exhausted in terms of long travel. So it can also avoid infection.
But beyond the walls, Little Ark is a family, a community where children and parents share smiles, stories, and strength, where loneliness fades and courage grows. A place where healing means more than just medicine. It means togetherness.
Kasama namin sila before bed, meron kami mga lokohan, ganyan. Pag umaga, gigising sila, kikipagkwentuhan sa kanila, kumakain, kakasama kami.
Minsan po pag gabi nagkumentuhan po kami ng mga bata, nagsasabi po sila sa akin ng kung ano po yung gusto nila, mga hilig po nila. And ako po kasi yung mga madalas na magluto po sa kanila po. So, nalalaman ko po kung ano yung mga bawal, tapos mga pwede sa kanilang kainin.
Yung memorable moments ko po, yung nagke-care card po kami. Nung mga una, parang naiilang pa sila tanggapin yung mga food, ganun. Tapos, ngayon parang pag nakikita nila kami, lalo na pag pinupush na namin yung card, parang ay ma'am, asan yung champorado, ganito, ganyan, ma'am, may juice po kayo, ganito. Tapos natutuwa kami na parang, ay, inaabangan nila kami, ganun.
In the housing facility, they wake up at a later time than usual, and then the transportation is also free. Hindi na rin nila iniisip yun. Less yung burden on the parents, and I think it reflects on the child din na nakikita nila yung parents nila, nabawasan yung iniisip.
Since the Little Ark Foundation have collaborated with NCH, statistics will show that the survival rate, the compliance rate to chemotherapy have increased.
Pag pumupunta po sila dito, every day, Monday to Friday, pag okay po yung procedure for laboratory, for BT, for chemotherapy, okay yung CBC po nila, doon po tayo mag-proceed ng chemo nila at blood transfusion. Ang blood transfusion po, kalimitan, ay hindi siya same day. So, pababalikin po sila kinabukasan at kung malalayo po yung bahay nila, pinagtutulog po natin sila sa Little Ark Foundation.
When they have experienced the housing facility, they form friends, they form interpersonal relationship with each other. Tapos parang mas na-excite silang bumalik sa hospital for treatment kasi makikita nila yung mga nakakasama nila sa housing. Isa sa mga important issues that the housing has addressed, yung emotional and social support din talaga ng patient to patient. Kasi, syempre, iba yung support na nakukuha nila sa parents, sa relatives, but the interaction with other patients, the support they get from the other patients, has an impact on the actual patient.
Every child here carries a story of bravery. Stories of mothers, fathers, doing everything to fight for one more day, one more smile, one more chance at life. Because of Little Ark, hundreds of families have one less burden, a roof over their heads, a ride to treatment, and the comfort of knowing they are not alone in this fight. But today, the need is growing. Our space is small. More families knock on our door, searching for shelter, comfort, hope. That's why Little Ark Foundation dreams of building a bigger space, a brighter, safer, warmer home, where no child is turned away, and where more lives are touched.
Maraming salamat.
Hindi ka lang palagi maganda-date mo. Gusto mo?
Nahihiya lang po siya.
Naka-makeup pa nga eh.
Gusto daw yung chemo mo. So, ayos lang po. Kung ano yung pain na nararamdaman niya, kinukurot niya ako. Pero ganun pa man, nagpapatuloy at lumalaban siya. Kaya salamat sa Little Ark Foundation.
Little Ark? Apa. Bakit? Eh, maganda po doon. Anong maganda sa Little Ark? Libre po. Libre? Yung mga kalaro ka na ba sa Little Ark? Apa. Sino kalaro mo doon? Ano po.
Together, we can make this ark bigger. Together, we can give more children the chance to heal, to laugh, to dream, and to live.